Hello and welcome to class. In this video, we are doing lesson number 10. And in this lesson, we will be adding the letter F to what we have learned so far. F is a consonant. There are two forms of the letter F. We have the uppercase F and the lowercase f. The sound for F is fan. Starts with the letter F. We are going to use the word fan to help us to remember the sound for F. We are also going to do a movement for the word fan to help us to remember the sound for F even better. The movement we will do for fan is to fan ourselves with our hands like this. Repeat after me. F, fan. Now we are going to do all the cards together. Okay? Let's go. T, tent. I, iguana, I. M, mass, S, sun, S. B, bulb. A, apple, A. And F, fan. Very good. For our next drill, I am going to show you the letters and you are going to give me the sounds for the letters before I do. T. E. Second sound. I with open syllable. B. S. A. Second sound. A with open syllable. Good. Now, I am going to give you the sound, and then you are going to tell me the letter that makes that sound. Okay, here we go. Spell T. T. Spell I. Spell B. B. Spell M. Spell S. S. Spell A. Very good. Our sight word for this lesson is the word as. A-S, as. The sentence for as is, I work as a teacher. Now, the word as has several meanings, but in that sentence I just used, it was used as a preposition, indicating the role or function of something. Now let's continue practicing our other sight words. A. At. A-T, at. Am. A-M, am. The. T-H-E, the. Is. I-S, is. I. To. T-O, to. Good. Great. Our next activity will be blending. So, let's blend. Okay. How would we read this syllable? Well, the first thing we do is find the vowel. The vowel is I. The next thing we do is ask ourselves, is this vowel open or closed? Well, this vowel is open because there is no consonant after the vowel. So this vowel will say its name. I. Fi. Do you realize I said syllable and not word? Because we learned that English words don't end with I. Okay, good. Now, the vowel is closed. So that means the I will say the sound. The sound for I is I. It, fit, fit, fit. Very good. Now, let's say I remove this consonant. Well, now the word is it, it. So if this doesn't change, and I change the consonant now to B, we are making rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. So the first word was fit, now this word is bit. B, it, bit. If that's bit, what do you think this says? It, mit. Because we know this part says it. So we're only changing the first letter. Okay? If that's mit, what do you think this says? S, it, sit. Very good. What if I change this vowel to A? Let's sound it out now. At, at. Let's do the same thing. If I add the s to at, the word is sat. Good. If I add to at, now the word is mat. And if I add b to at, now the word is bat. If I add to at, now the word is fat. Good. So if you know one small word and we only add to it, we can read the word faster. We don't need to blend every single letter. Okay? Let's look at some other words. Okay. Vowel open or close? I is the vowel. It is closed. It will say it. Let's blend. S, it, se, seb, seb. If this stays the same, it will be ib. So now let's add a consonant to ib and read it quickly. Ib. What's the word? Mib. If that's mib, then this must be what? Ib, fib. If that is fib, then this must be what? Ib, tib. And then this must be ib, sib. Okay, so I'm just showing you that if you already know one small part of a word and you add one single letter before it, you should be able to read the word much faster without blending every letter like we were doing previously. Let's move on to dictation. In this lesson, we are going to add 2 sentences. Instead of 10 words, we'll have 8 words and 2 sentences. Number 1, the word is fit. Fit. Okay. I hear F. I. That's I. Fit. That's a T. How do we spell fit? F-I-T. Fit. Number 2. Write the word Repeat and then write before I do. Fab. I hear that's F. Fa, that's A. Fab, that's the B. How do we spell fab? F-A-B. Fab. Number 3. Number 3 and numbers 4. Number 3. Remember, some of these words are just made-up words, nonsense words. Number 3, the word is sif. Sif. And the words are only using letters that we have learned. I hear S. That's S. Si. That's I. Sif. That's the letter F. How do we spell sif? S-I-F. Sif. Number 4. The word is fam. Fam. Okay, I hear that's F. Fa, that is A. Fam. I hear M. How do we spell fam? F-A-M. Fam. Okay, I hope you're doing good. We are now doing numbers 5 and 6. Okay, you should be able to write these words before I do. Number 5, the word is fat. Fat. I hear that's F. Fat. I hear A. Fat. I hear T. How do we spell fat? F-A-T. Fat. Number 6. Mit. Mit. I hear and we know that is M. Mit. That is I. Mit. That is T. How do we spell mit? M-I-T. Mit. Okay, let me know how you're doing. All right, number 7 and number 8. Number 7. It's a sight word, the word that we had today in this lesson. The word is as. As. How do we spell as? A-S. As. I work as a teacher. Number 8. The word is fim. Fim. Let's see. I hear F. I know that is F. That's I. Fim. And that is M. How do we spell fim? F-I-M. Fim. Okay. Now, numbers 9 and 10. Numbers 9 and 10. I'm not going to write the number because I need as much space as I can to fit the sentence on the line. Now, the sentence is, I am Sam. How many words? I am Sam. That's 3 words. Now, when we write a sentence, our sentence must start with a capital or uppercase letter. Space between each word, And since this sentence is telling us something, then we have to use a period at the end. We use a period when the sentence is telling us something. And the sentence is telling us something. It's saying, I am Sam. Okay, first word, I. So we have to write the uppercase I. I, space. I am. Must have a space. How do we spell am? Plus, this is a sight word. We should spell it quickly. I am Sam. Now, whenever we write someone's name, we also have to start that name with an uppercase letter. So the word Sam has to start with an uppercase S. I hear the A. Sam. And now the M. Let me read the sentence. I am Sam. I have my 3 words and I'm going to now add my period at the end. Last and final sentence. Repeat the sentence and then write it. Tim bit Sam. How many words? Tim bit Sam. 3 words. Remember, we start a sentence with an uppercase or capital letter. We have a space between each word, and there must be a punctuation mark. Now, this sentence is telling us something. It's telling us that Tim bit Sam. So this sentence must end with a period. Okay. Tim is the first word. Starts with a capital T. I, Tim, M. That's my first word. I need a space. Tim bit. B. That's a B. I bit. That's a T. Now before I write, I like to go back and read what I have so far. Tim bit Sam. Let's see. Sam, I can copy it from right there. I already wrote it, right? S-A-M. Sam. Tim bit Sam. Now I need a punctuation mark at the end. This is the end of this lesson. I will see you in your next lesson. Thank you for joining the class.